What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, tastes good.
What?
This is beautiful. Oh, yeah.
So we're doing something a little special with the hood. So we're not gonna leave it all completely carbon fiber. We paint most of it the same color as the body. The vents, we're gonna leave that carbon fiber, and then we're gonna clear on top of that. Obviously the hood is very aftermarket and it's very unique, but we're gonna take it one step further.
We actually physically take off the hood, we'll pinstripe it.
And I think the picture I showed you, this part is painted.
Yeah, and I'm gonna show you before we paint it.
Okay.
No worries, we'll take care of it.
Like usual fashion, we have a Tesla Model 3, a brand new one. Clear bar on the full front end of this, tinting all the windows. We're doing something really unique with this one though for the chrome delete. Instead of doing satin black, matte black, or gloss black, we're actually gonna be doing brushed black. So what we normally do for the interior, we're actually doing that for the outside trim, and we're gonna be doing that as well for the center console too. It's interesting, so I'll show you what that looks like once we get started. Try and get wheels for what car?
I'm not trying to get wheels.
But who's trying to get wheels?
The red Model X wants colorful wheels.
Red car, but I'm trying to figure out his personality.
What's his personality?
I don't know, I haven't talked to him yet.
Is he an Aries? Are we gonna deal with a chrome delete or not?
Chrome delete, yes. Okay, yeah, be like that.
Tesla red isn't cherry.
That could work.
Okay, so this is what I'm gonna go with for him. I'll go with this one.
That's orange.
Yeah, it sounds like a root beer color. This.
Oh, I know why Haywood picked this. There's red in here. That could work.
It says the car is red and the chrome delete is black. I feel like it's kind of neat.
Yeah, that is cool. Different too.
Don't contaminate my colors with your color.
This will be cool too. But that's pretty safe though, out of all the colors we've chosen so far.
We've done that a lot. We've done this before on Model X. This is interesting to me.
Why are you calling me? What's up? What are we doing?
Steam me up.
Steam you up?
Get it nice and steamy for me.
Yes. So what we're doing right now is we're actually removing clear bra. There's a lot of wrong ways you can do it. If we don't do this carefully, we could actually remove paint. A lot of people just kind of rush through this and start peeling the wrong way.
Smells like a dead fish.
Depending on how old the clear bra is, this can take literally a full day to do. And some clear bras are so bad that we don't even want to touch it.
1 hour later.
We still have some, as you can see on the edges here, but this whole general portion is removed, so that's good. Previous clear bra has some damages, so that's why we're removing it, and we're gonna put a new one on.
I wonder what this is.
I want to see what's inside.
Whoever brought me this chocolate, thank you so much.
Will, why'd you get up at 4?
We're not doing this game.
Why'd you get up at 4?
Where'd you go, Will?
I don't know. I don't like that angle.
Where'd you go, Will?
No.
Will?
Nope.
Where'd you go?
Leave me alone.
Just say it.
Leave me alone.
Oh my god.
Where did you go work out this morning, Will? Where did you go work out this morning?
Your sister's house.
Oh!
Equinox, bro.
Yeah!
Equinox.
Equinox.
Equinox. Equinox. Equinox. Equinox.
Equinox, bro.
We have a brand new F-150 in today. We'll be doing a black view on this. How's it coming along, bro?
Good. I'm gonna need you to get up front here in a minute.
This main window here slides, so you can either put the camera here.
You can put it on the side that it won't slide open into. You can do what I do. You just make it work in the middle.
But Tyler, why are you putting that camera in the middle? Doesn't that window slide?
It does slide.
So wouldn't that just destroy the camera because it would pull on the wire?
Yes.
We have the main one right there. We've placed the back camera there in the middle screen. So let me show you how we did this. This is cool. Oh, fine. How Tyler did this. You want to show them?
I'm busy.
Let me show you how I did it.
Here, I'll show you.
Look at that. So you don't lose the back window opening closing option whenever you want to have that. Wires don't get tugged or pulled or snagged. So I was on my way to check on wheels, but as I was crossing the parking lot, I had to stop and look at this car. I have to just show you guys this. This is clear bra, obviously a really old clear bra, and I just want to show you guys this because this is what bad clear bra can look like over time. As you can see, it's yellowing around the edges. This is a partial kit. It's only just like this small portion here. I'm not making fun of the person, of course. I just want to show you guys this so you guys are aware of what is possible out there, unfortunately. I mean, look how bad it is. It's cracking everywhere, and you get this disgusting line that just runs all along. So that's one of the problems with having a partial kit. You know, if you're cool with that, then that's fine, but a lot of people don't realize what it can look like over time. So hopefully this gives you guys an idea. We're doing a ceramic coating gold package. Ow, you fucking. Dude, we're doing 5 layers of ceramic coating on the outside, and we're also doing ceramic coating on the inside, the entire inside. Ow! Oh my god!
I'm sorry, master.
The seats, the carpet, the steering wheel, everything like that is all gonna get coated. So it's gonna bead water inside and outside. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Click up here for a video recommended just for you, down here for a news video, and up here to subscribe. I will see you guys next time.
None of us put it up there. I thought you did. I thought you put it up here.
I didn't put it up here.
Well, where did it come from?
Who put this up here?
I don't know.
What? It looks creepy in the videos.
Low-key, he actually is kind of freaking out a little bit.
He's gonna pull up the footage. Find out what the girl looks like. I want to know what this girl looks like.